2, 1. Well, thanks, guys. In the midst of the coronavirus pandemic right now across the country, go figure, luxury sales of SUVs are actually through the roof, and this is one of the reasons why. This is the all-new 2021 Lincoln Aviator, and it is packed with so much cool technology, so much luxury, and so many different creature comforts. It's a vehicle that many consumers want to park in their driveway.
After a 15-year hiatus, the Lincoln Aviator has made its return, and although it shares the same platform and DNA as the all-new Ford Explorer, the Aviator is much different than its Ford counterpart. For starters, the Aviator has its own unique body thanks to certain design cues from the Continental and Navigator. The Aviator certainly looks the part of a luxury car, but the question is, does it ride like one?
And one of the coolest technology features on the Lincoln Aviator is actually right here, but you can't see it because it's behind this wheel. It's actually called adaptive suspension with road preview. And basically what that means is there's a camera on the front of the Aviator that looks for potholes in front of you on the road. And when it sees and senses them, it adjusts the suspension to make it a softer ride.
When Lincoln designed the all-new Aviator, one of its goals was to design a vehicle that would make your daily journey smoother in every way. With comfort and performance in mind, Lincoln forgoed the traditional coil-style spring in favor of air suspension. This advanced suspension system enables several different preset ride heights for many different scenarios. When the Aviator is parked, the ride height lowers itself for a sleek look. If the Aviator goes off-road, the ride height is lifted to its highest setting for maximum clearance and comfort while off-roading.
And the interior of the Lincoln Aviator is incredibly refined, starting with this right here. It's all focused on aviation around the center cockpit for the driver. These are actually called perfect position seats, allowing you as the driver to get into that exact position you want while driving the Aviator.
Not only does the Aviator have some of the nicest luxury features in a Lincoln we've ever seen, but also luxury cars in all. The Aviator features captain's chairs in the second row, allowing rear passengers more individual room, and the metal finish buttons and knobs found in the interior bring the Aviator's luxury feel on par with more expensive SUVs from German automakers. The Aviator also features several unique driving modes ranging from normal, pure excite, deep conditions, and even a pure EV mode.
Under the hood of the Lincoln Aviator, you're going to have two engine choices. You're going to have a 3-liter V6 that is turbocharged, putting out roughly 450 horsepower with 600 pounds-feet of torque. But if you want to go with the electrification, which is the plug-in hybrid electric version of the Aviator, you're actually going to increase your horsepower up to 494 horsepower with 630 pounds-feet of torque.
Lincoln continues to find new ways to help its drivers reach their destinations safely, and one of the ways the Aviator does this is by integrating Lincoln's Copilot 360 Plus driver assist technologies into the vehicle. This complete safety system features traffic jam assist with traffic sign recognition using the adaptive cruise control camera to recognize speed limit signs in front of you. Another feature is Lincoln's Active Park Assist Plus, which helps make any parking situation stress-free by doing all of the work literally for you.
Starting price for the Lincoln Aviator for the base version is right around $51,000. Now this one that we tested right here is the Aviator Black Label, so it's their top of the line, and it starts right around $77,000. But the good news is if you want to get into a luxury SUV, incentives right now are available by all of the automakers. This one right here, you can get into a lease payment on it somewhere between $600 and $800.
I'm Mike Caudill.